welcome back to the Audie Murphy American Cotton Museum. And today I'm going to tell you a little bit about some of the things on this wall over here. One of my favorite things is this hair wreath. I know it looks really odd, doesn't it? This hair wreath is totally made out of hair and dates all the way back to 1884. So it's been around for a very long time. And what people would do, they would make these wreaths in any shape that they wanted as in memory to family members who had passed away. They would cut off a lock of their hair and tie it into a wreath or a different type of shape and hang it onto their wall. This gave them the opportunity both to honor a memory and also to have a wall decoration, because people back then, most of them could not afford to go out and buy something for the wall. Now, something else I wanted to show you that I really like is this picture up here. This photo is the oldest photo we have of downtown Greenville, and it was taken back in the late 1800s, probably sometime around 1860, early 1870. And one of my favorite things about this picture, if you can see it from there, I'm not sure if you can, but this one little street has 2 saloons in it. At one time we had 6 saloons just surrounding the town square, and that gives you an idea what a lot of people ended up doing for a while, until the ladies all kind of banded together and said enough of that, and we went dry and all the saloons closed up. So a little bit different, but that's a really cool picture that to be able to still have a photo from that long ago is really, really neat. Now I wanted to show you, let's pan over here to this car. This is for those car enthusiasts out there, you're gonna love this. This is a 1906 Caddy, and yes, it does still run. Doesn't go very fast, but it does get up there, maybe about 20 miles an hour, and it's been fully restored. A couple of different things about it. If you take a close look, you notice the driver's seat. You drive on the other side of the road, and most of the cars did that back then, because at one time we actually drove on the other side of the road. Something else I like to point out is underneath this driver's seat is where the gas tank was. So it's probably a good thing that it didn't go very fast if there was ever a problem. You could just jump out. Well, that's all we're going to cover for today. I want to thank you for joining me, and we'll see you next time.